If you're a Tesla bull or investor, this may not be the best time to be upbeat, but there is some good news to keep your faith alive. I believe in tech god Elon, and I have a good feeling that you do too. In this video, I'll explain why there is hope for Tesla stock to maintain the upward trend we've seen recently and end the month in solid numbers. Both the stock price and customer demand for Tesla have been declining recently. Tesla's model explains why stock in the US has been steadily declining. According to the most recent corporate data, demand for Tesla is significantly higher than predicted a few years ago, and the growing acceptance of electric cars suggests that Tesla and its rivals will be able to sustain their market leadership as they increase production. The Model Y is one of Tesla's best-selling products. As of the end of October, 87,936 units had been sold, compared to 9,603 for the whole of 2017. The question is whether or not Tesla's success in various markets indicates the company doesn't have a demand issue. Let's find out, but first hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed this kind of content. Following the company's March opening, investors were left wondering if Tesla is experiencing demand issues due to lower than expected quarterly revenue. Elon Musk, the CEO, has expressed his intention to see yearly sales growth of approximately 50. Nevertheless, he anticipates falling just short of that target this year. Most of Tesla's vehicle offerings are doing well across all of its international market. For example, car manufacturers sold about 200,000 models globally in the third quarter, bringing the total to almost 500 vehicles sold. This means that in October, Tesla's model outsold other top sellers in the world rankings for the first time. This shows that the SUV is moving in the proper way. The China Passenger Car Association reports that the Model I was the best-selling SUV in China in September. It also sold 29,367 Model I cars, up 227 units from the same period the previous year. In Germany, 3,878 new Tesla Model 3 registrations were made this month alone. Abide Song came in second. Tesla needs a higher score than this because the vehicle output has increased dramatically as a result of a significant ramp up at the majority of gigafactories. The output of the Model Y has increased significantly at the Shanghai factory thanks to recently implemented manufacturing line upgrades. The decline in Model I stock could be explained by Tesla's recent price reduction in the US market. Tesla has just reduced the price of the Model 3 in the US as a delivery strategy. Credit for what is already in place. Tesla vehicles, Tesla customers can now purchase any model currently in stock from Tesla at a reduced price. Moreover, Tesla's production line for its 4,680 battery cells appears to be approaching rhythm. A Tesla spokesperson recently stated that the company's battery team has successfully produced 868 cells in 7 days. Producing battery packs for over 1,000 electric vehicles would be comparable to this. Tesla, the maker of electric vehicles, tweeted about a company achievement and praised 680 employees. It also included a few pictures of the teams responsible for the achievement. About 2 years ago, Tesla introduced the battery cells, and since then, the automaker has been trying to ramp up production sales of over 1,000 cars. Suggested this battery cell is superior to the 2170 cell, now used by Tesla. If you consider the scope of Tesla's operations, this may seem like a little feat, but it was likely accomplished with just the initial 4,680 production lines, suggesting increased output in the coming months. Are we finally beyond the worst of it for Tesla, now most likely not seeing how the manufacturer probably has bigger fish to fry? For example, as a result of the political upheaval in China, the corporation has seized the production of automobiles. There, a rise in reported cases of COVID-19 has prompted Tesla to cancel most operations at its Shanghai Gigafactory during the last week of December. The transition, however, occurs before that period. The corporation has not explained the shutdown. Some employees claim that the factory informed them that the morning shift had been canceled and that they may begin their break immediately due to the fact that the Model 3 and Model I, two of the business's most popular vehicles, are built at the Tesla Gigafactory in Shanghai, which is an essential production facility. Tesla's competitiveness may suffer and the company may experience a decline in demand. The largest local demand may suffer as car sales decline in the coming months due to the market's exacerbation of the company's inventory problem. However, If the Shanghai Gigafactory has been producing cars for international markets instead of giving local market needs priority, Tesla may be able to avoid this problem, as it was previously reported that the company intended to stop production of the Model Y electric vehicle. Extended production stoppage at the Shanghai Gigafactory could be connected to the plant's anticipated output reduction of about 30 in December 2022. As suppliers have increased output by the end of the year, it is anticipated that the automaker's growth in 2023 will be directly correlated with its capacity, similar to how Tesla's issues with battery supply have improved over the previous year. With one recent achievement, Giga Texas ought to have outperformed P2's productivity, though it's unclear if the improved acceleration will last moving forward. Even critics of Tesla's 4,680 manufacturing, like James Katz, acknowledged that the carmaker is performing better than expected with its cells. It's easy to be critical of Tesla's 2024 quarter promises, unless one keeps in mind that Tesla itself set ambitious timetables. This may suggest that the automaker has overcome some of the challenges Tesla faced when attempting to increase the volume production of these battery cells. When everything is considered in perspective and objectively examined, the Twitter user continued, Tesla's work on the 4,680 is staggering. People often overlook the fact that this is a completely new business venture for Tesla, and that creating batteries requires extensive technical know-how. To build lithium-ion batteries of the EV grade at scale, there are only 5 major producers worldwide, but they produce 77% of the industry's total output. In today's highly concentrated economic environment, a new supply chain is imperative. Just look at what Tesla has accomplished with this battery in the last 2 years. Despite the numerous obstacles that Tesla still faces, technology is expected to reach current manufacturing levels in a few years. Let's consider this in light of, according to the company's tweet, Tesla has created a total of 4,680 production cells. Tesla reported that the 868 Zero cells produced over the last 7 days were used in more than 1,000 electric cars. At the moment, the only model with 4,680 type battery cells is a Texas-made Tesla Model I. Retirement in 2031 would require 37 years if you save 20% of your salary annually, and you expected your investments to yield 5 to 7% after inflation. If you save 25% of your income annually, it would take 31 years. Salford previously, we heard that the facility produced a cumulative number of 1,004,680 type cells in February, and that was since production started in 2020. We don't know what the cumulative number is currently, but after 10 months, it should be more than 10 million units if we combine the most recent news with the previously mentioned information. It turns out that only approximately 1/3 of the 30 Model I cars produced each week are equipped with 4,680 type battery cells. This means that the remaining 2,000 Model I produced every week. What are your opinions on this? Let us know in the comments section below what you think about Tesla. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the upcoming video.